Hey, what's up guys, my name is Anshul and today in this video let us talk about some tech news. And yes, this is the first episode of a tech news on this channel, and in this video I will talk about some of the latest and the most interesting development in the terms of technology. So let's get right into it. First up, we have a new feature from Google that could change the way that you search things over the web. Now, Google calls it a search generative experience, or SGE. And what it does is that it uses generative AI to provide more information and context for complex queries. Now, for example, if you ask Google about the history of quantum computing, SGE will generate a snapshot of the key facts and insight from multiple sources and allow you to ask up follow-up questions in a conversational mode. You can also use SGE for shopping by showing you relative factors and products with descriptions, reviews, rating, and prices. Now this one over here is exactly the same as the Microsoft Bing is working right now. It uses ChatGPT, but over here I think that Google is using the Google Part feature that is an in-home production by Google itself. So it would be very interesting to see that how it competes against the competition, and I am ready for it right now. Now, SGE is currently available as an experiment in the Search Labs, a program that lets you try out the early experiments in the search. Now, to access SGE, you need to sign up for the Search Labs and be a Google One Premium 2+ TV subscribers. That is too much in my opinion, but I think that this restriction will be lifted in the future version of this SGE testing. Next up, we have some news about the Google Pixel Fold, your favorite of the year 2023, the first foldable smartphone from Google that opens up into a compact tablet. If you are interested in getting one, you might want to hurry up and pre-order it right now. The 512GB model in the obsidian black color is already getting out of stock in US, even though it costs a whopping $1919. That in my opinion is too much for a smartphone in the year 2023 that does not even come with the most powerful chipset in the market, and also it has some chunky bezels inside of that foldable big screen. You can still get the 256GB version in the obsidian color or join the waitlist for the 512GB model. The Pixel Fold is expected to ship in June, and it will also be available for pre-order in UK, Germany, and Japan as for the latest news right now. The Pixel Fold has some impressive specs and features such as a 7.6 inches OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, a 5.8 inches cover display, a Tensor G2 chip, 12GB of RAM, a 4821 mAh battery, wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, a quad camera system, and of course Android 13 with exclusive software enhancement for the foldable form factor. The Pixel Fold is definitely one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, and I can't wait to get my hands on the smartphone and test it out for myself. Moving on, we have some bad news for the YouTube creators who use YouTube Short to create some short videos that last for 7 days. Now, YouTube has announced that it will shut down the YouTube Stories on June 26. That is not very far away. Now, this feature was launched in the year 2017 as Reels, and then it got rebranded as Stories in the year 2018. It is only available for channels with above 10,000 subscribers as of the year 2023 now, but hey, anyways, this feature will not longer be available on June 26. YouTube says that it will be removing stories in favor of YouTube Shorts and community posts, and I agree very much with them. YouTube Shorts are the short form videos that can be up to 60 seconds long and have features like music, filters, and text. Community posts are the posts that can include text, images, polls, and videos and can be used to start discussions with the followers. YouTube believes that these features are better suited for sharing updates, engaging with audience rather than having the YouTube Stories. That was not one of the best features that YouTube thinks as, at least of now. Last but not the least, we have some news about the Nothing Phone 2, the second smartphone from Nothing, a new company founded by Carl P, the former co-founder of OnePlus and one of the favorite people in the tech industry in the world of smartphones, I would say right now. The Nothing Phone 2 will arrive in July according to P, and he also confirmed in one of the posts and even on the official website that the smartphone will come with a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is Not the latest one, but still a very powerful one. It can handle any game or app you throw at it, and it will give you smooth and fast performance. The phone will also have a 4700 mAh battery that is slightly bigger than the Nothing Phone 1, and I think it would be more than sufficient paired with the Snapdragon 8 Gen Plus 1 processor, because hey, that processor over there is a powerful one and a very efficient one at the same time. The most interesting thing about this smartphone is the design, of course, and we do not know much about it. We just have a teaser image that shows a more simplistic approach with a redesigned red LED which looks cooler than the phone 1. The phone looks sleek, futuristic, and I cannot wait to see more about it. Nothing is known for its minimalistic design and transparent design language, so I'm sure that the Nothing Phone 2 will be something unique and different and a breath of new fresh air in the smartphone world. So that was all about the tech news in this video. I hope you like this one, and if you want me to make more videos just like this, some tech news, some daily updates, do let me know in the comment section below. That was me, Anshul. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.